Welcome back, interns. This article, I am going to teach you how to format the body of your text. So I know I don't have a lot of content here, but typically your intro will be right here. It'll be a few sentences, maybe two paragraphs, and then a lot of times you're going to want to organize with subheadings. So let's say you're doing a listicle of top 10 summer interns. So we don't want to use the automatic formatting here. It says number list. Don't ever really want to use that unless it's a special circumstance. We really want our headings to pop. So if you'll notice here, this is in paragraph, but if we want this to pop out, we're going to do a heading. You can do heading 1 is large, heading 2, a little bit smaller, and then I have all the rest of the headings down here. You don't ever have to have the number before. Unless you're doing a listicle, you will want the number there. Now, when we do listicles, you always want the photo to be directly below the heading. So you don't want text here and then the photo. That flow doesn't work well. So we have that there. We have it centered. Again, you can go to the media library and search for the person. If we have a photo of them, insert there. And then you can say, Phelps joins the team from, wow, I can't type, blah, 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 wherever he is. And then you'll go on to your next number and then choose paragraph. Let's say you're making a list of dates. You can always use bullet points. If you have a quote that is over 43 words, you are going to want to set it off in the block quote. So let's make this quote up. Usually if it's over 3 lines, then you're going to want to set it off as a block quote. All right, so we got our quote there. Hit block quote, it'll automatically format. You can always check preview to see how that turns out. So we got Michael Phelps, nice picture, a little information, and then here's the quote, and it'll show up like this in a different kind of size. And then to strengthen our content, let's say we always want to hyperlink past stories from our archives. So how you do that is you will search Swimming World Magazine's website. And we have a handy dandy search bar right here. So you'll just click that, or our site is slow. So we'll hit news. Now this is where your categories come in. So if you categorize something as college and high school, it'll pop up under here, stuff like that. So apologize, the site is taking a while. While we're waiting, this is a good time to familiarize yourself with our site. It shows this is the featured image and then pops up with your meta description here and your title. It says the date. But let's say we want to search some news. Look at that. Or you can hit the search bar, which I don't know why this is taking a while to show up. It's always worked for me right away. All right, I'm accessing Swimming World from a different web browser. There we go. All right, so then you hit the search button, and then let's say intern. So you want to search that topic because that's what you're writing about. Voila, look, all these stories, wanted, social media interns, meet the journalism class of blah, blah, blah. So this is our last class. So what you're going to do is you can click on here. There's the article. So this will be you guys when you finish this summer. But look, you can hyperlink articles in there. So we're going to copy and then go to your article here. And then the part that pertains to what you're talking about, you can hyperlink interns. Paste that URL and always, always, always hit open link in new tab. Always. That's very important because if you don't, then it'll take them off the article that they've been looking at. So add link, and then that leads to that article. So you learned a lot.